Comparing lithium-ion with lead-acid batteries, which one is the best? In this video, we are going to talk about lithium-ion with lead-acid batteries and help you decide which one might be the best fit for you. First, let's talk about lithium-ion batteries. Lithium-ion batteries are generally lighter. These batteries have a higher energy density. They also have a longer lifespan and faster charging. This makes them perfect for portable devices, electric vehicles, and renewable energy systems. Now let's talk about lead-acid batteries. Lead-acid batteries have been around for a while and are quite a cost-effective option. Lead-acid batteries are also quite durable. They are perfect for providing backup power to homes. So, which one is the best choice for you? Performance and longevity. If you're looking for top-notch performance, longer lifespan, and fast charging, lithium-ion is perfect for you. If you're on a budget and don't mind a heavier battery with a shorter lifespan, lead-acid batteries can save you money while providing reliable power. Eco-friendly lithium-ion batteries are more eco-friendly due to their longer lifespan and higher energy efficiency. Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button if you found this video informative.